All right, welcome back to Old Man Tech. Today we're going to install one of my favorite repositories, Phoenix, which is located in the TVAddons add-on. TVAddons has a lot of different repositories and a lot of different, um, you know, build change and all kinds of things. But today, just to make it nice and simple, we're going to install Phoenix. Phoenix is one of my favorite repositories, so let's go ahead and excuse me, go ahead and do it. If you notice, um, video add-ons. You can see the add-ons we installed the other day. Just the default, from the default Kodi install, we installed these really simple things. But today we're going to add an add-on. We have to tell Kodi where to find the add-on. So let's go ahead and do that really simple. We're going to go to System and File Manager. Here's where we're going to tell Kodi where to find it. Okay, so let's go ahead and add a source. We're going to double click add source. Up in the top here, we're going to put the URL for that zip file for that add-on or that repository. We're going to go http:// This one is called Fusion, FUSION.TVAddons.ag. Alright, so there we go. Make sure you spell it correctly. http:// fusion.TVAddons is TVAddons.ag. I will put it down in the bottom so you can copy and paste it if you want to. Let's go ahead and hit done. There we go. We're going to name it something. We are going to name it Fusion, but for some reason everybody likes to put a little dot in front of it just so it comes at the top of the list. Eventually you will have a bunch of different sources in the list, and these will come up to the top. So let's go ahead and put a dot in front of it and call it Fusion. There we go. You can call it anything you want. You can call it, well, anything you want. So let's go ahead and hit done. And I'll say OK here. All right, don't look like there's any kind of errors, so that must be pointing to a valid location. So let's go ahead and hit the home button. Go back to the home, and to add an add-on, we're going to hit System. And right here is add-ons. So let's go ahead and click add-ons. And we're going to install from a zip file, okay? Because that zip file is located at that internet location we just added. So let's go ahead and hit install from zip file. And there's Fusion at the top because it has a dot on it. Let's go ahead and click Fusion. And now this, like I said, does have quite a few. So if you go to start here, this is where you can install the wizard and a bunch of different programs and add-ons. We're going to go back and we're going to go to repos, as in repositories. Click that. And you can have international or English or but anyway, let's go to the English section because I do speak English. And the one that I like I said, does include Phoenix. We're going to click on this one, repository.xbmc HUB, as in XBMC hub. 106 is the current version, so that's there. It may be different depending on when you're installing this. Go ahead and click that, and there you go. You can see some things happening there. At the top you saw something going on, and at the bottom you see that the add-on was installed, so it's good to go. That means Kodi went out to that URL that you provided, found the zip file, downloaded the zip file, and decompressed it. So now in Kodi you do have these add-ons that are now available. Problem is now you still have to go and enable those add-ons. So if we go over to video add-ons, like I said, this is the ones that we installed the other day, straight from Kodi, straight from the default Kodi install, but we're going to get more. So let's hit get more. All right, now the list not only has the default Kodi add-ons, it also will have add-ons that TVAddons installed for us. So like I said, I'm going to do Phoenix just because I know that's a really good one. If I can find the P's, there we go. H right there. Phoenix. Whoop, went over too far. There's Phoenix. So we're going to click that, and we are going to install that. Give it just a second. You see it's downloading right up here. Downloading. Down the bottom you can see some things that are installing. Anything that it needs to play some of these videos or to go to those sites it is adding. Alright, you can see here now Phoenix is enabled. Still waiting for some of these to finish. Sometimes I've noticed if you click it one time and it goes install and it errors out, just do it a second time, usually works. So it says Phoenix add-on is now enabled. All right, so now we will go, and to verify that, you can see right there enabled. So go ahead and hit the home button. Now go into video add-ons, and there you go. Phoenix is now installed. Let's go ahead and click Phoenix. And here's a bunch of different sections in Phoenix. Woody has some sports, live sports. This is where I saw the UFC thing the other day. Click that, and there's live events. This is at 9:17 in the morning, so I guess there's no live events going on right now. I do find there's a lot of soccer. I say soccer, football for you European people. That seems to be going on all the time. But you know, you do have other things here that they do like to categorize. Oh, look, and it has like a schedule. I'm assuming this is IHL or not necessarily NHL stuff. This is, but yeah, there's some hockey. Oh yeah, it says right there what it is. Okay, it's AHL. Okay, so different hockey, but not NHL. But anyway, there's CFL stuff, so it's Canadian Football League stuff. Cool. And baseball games, obviously, you know. Yep, another season. So, okay. But anyway, that's that's Woody. Has a bunch of other stuff here. You can actually go and play around with the different sports. Seems to be pretty decent. Crusader. I'm not sure what Crusader was. Okay, Arabic channels, different international channels. Her place is like like what do you call them, girl movies. Yeah, anyway, I mean, some of them ain't too bad, but you know, for the females. Not sure what this one is. I don't think I've ever been here, but I guess this is another place to find some movies, biblical films. Ooh, wow, 1919 to 1988 Canadian films, but it looks like a bunch of different other languages, other what's this live, and let's just grab one real quick. The Blues, Elvis. Hey, let's go to Elvis here. Check out Aloha from Hawaii. That was one of my favorite albums. Oh, unplayable. So anyway, so let's go back now and go to live streams. Let's go back to that. Where was that at? That was under in concert. No, what was it? Yeah, live in concert. It says live streams. Let's see what's going on. Not sure who they are, but anyway, so let's go on back now to the main menu. That was that. Rock Crusher is my favorite section here. This is where I really do find some, you know, you can see current movies. You can see these are all pretty new movies. Creed was good. Revenant was really good. Just came out like 2 weeks ago, so it's here. Matter of fact, it was here. I think, yeah, I think did I watch it a day before? Yeah, like a day before it physically was released, I watched it. Hateful Eight. So there you go. There's a bunch of brand new movies. Let's go grab one. Here, let's go to the Peanuts movie. See how it is, how it comes up. Does take a couple seconds, but it is find the source, and boom, there it is. Really, really fast, right? And also they got some different years. Here's go 2011. See if there's anything good. 2011. That was pretty good, I think. Fright Night, that was a remake. Man, 2011 didn't have any great movies, did they? The Green Hornet, there you go. Let's pop that in there. Let's see if that comes up. They try to keep these up to date pretty good. If you find a dead link, if you go to watch one and it doesn't come up, go ahead and I think there's a Twitter account. You can let them know that something's down, but there you go. It's coming up, buffering. Let's see, this is at 1080p. Now I'm on a slow connection, so it may not come up, but you see it is trying to at 1080p. So wow, that's good video. So all right, let's go back up and come on, click the back button and the back button. There you go. And then these you can check out also. That one's not working yet, but and here's some cartoons. That one's pretty good for some cartoons. But yeah, this is my favorite. Phoenix Rock Crusher is the place to see new movies. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll come back out with another video later on showing you some others. Maybe I'll also do a video on doing the actual build, the TV add-ons build, which includes basically all their repositories and changes the skin and all that. So all right, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.